So I'm going to do number 8 for you. Ready? This is from the notes from yesterday. So if you're following along with me, I'm going to take this value for x, or this missing side length, right? I don't know what that side length is. I'm going to try to solve for x. So Ly corresponds to hk. So I'm going to do 4x minus 1, and then I'm going to put that over hk. hk is x plus 5. You with me so far? So if I divide those two values, then that would give me the scale factor, right? I took two corresponding sides and I set them as a ratio. That would actually be the scale factor if I knew what x was, right? So what I'm going to do is set that equal to another set of corresponding sides. So I'm going to take TL and I'm going to put that on top. That's from the big triangle. And I'm going to find the corresponding side to TL. I'll do it in red. TL corresponds to CH, right? CH is 10, so that goes here. So now, just like before, I'm just solving for x, right? And again, I don't need to cross multiply. All I need to do is multiply by x plus 5 on both sides. If I multiply by x plus 5 on both sides, that one clears on the other side, right? So now I just have to take, what's 2.5 divided by 10? 2.5. 2.5. So I'm going to take that 2.5 and I'm going to distribute it to everything in this set of parentheses. So it's got to be 4x minus 1 equals 2.5x. And then what's 2.5 times 5?
2.5.
12.5. Very nice. I knew he'd come up with it. So now I'm just going to solve. Very simply, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take the negative 1, I'm going to move it this way. And I'm going to take this 2.5x, and I'm going to move it that way. So what I get is 1.5x equals 13.5. And when I divide by 1.5, you'd never guess it, I get x is 9.